half of my love bracelet in the park.
No! Good morning, team. What is up? It is Saturday morning, and I just decided I'd randomly start vlogging because I have a semi-interesting day, and I'm gonna try and shop around today. So I'm gonna take you with me to Soho. I might go to Zara. I have an appointment at Acne Studios with my sales associate Innocent, who's the best. So I just thought I'd take you along with me. I'm running late because right now I'm about to head to a SoulCycle class. I'm gonna bike there, so I need to do that. But I just quickly got dressed, so I quickly wanted to show you what I'm wearing. It's very much like a simple yet effective outfit, but I like it. So it's this thrifted tank that I got from Stella Dallas. I've been getting so much from Stella Dallas recently. If you're ever in Williamsburg, you guys definitely have to check it out. And then I have my Bottega padded cassette bag, which you know I love, and that I haven't actually worn in a minute, so I'm glad I'm taking it out today. And I have on the Zara women's jeans actually I got, which I love. Don't be afraid to shop in the women's section, guys, because the fit of their pants are awesome. So I'm wearing those, and then I have on my Balenciaga track sneakers. So I'm gonna put my camera, which also, can we talk about this? I am a real vlogger. I got a mini tripod, but oh, who's calling? It's my mom. One sec, I have to answer this. How are you?
We need to have a moment of silence.
Why?
I lost half of my love bracelet in the park.
No! Oh my.
Thank you. That makes me feel really good. Your response makes me feel so good.
Oh my god, look, wait, literally, I got this on camera because I'm literally vlogging right now. Wait, are you still at the park? Are you
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wait, did you just find it? You just find it?
Yes, I literally. Oh my god, I wanna cry. Thank you so much. And I saw your bracelet, I was like, and I was on the phone with my son because he's going to Paris. I was like, well, at least I can have his body when I'm here. And he goes, no! Who lost it? Listen, somebody's gonna cry today. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. When I was talking to you, there was a woman, and she had on the left bracelet, and I was like, oh, goodbye, right? I just turned around, and I saw her, she was on the phone, and I saw her holding the other half.
Oh my god, that's such good luck. What? Can we talk about that? That was literally crazy. I'm so glad I got that on camera, and I'm so glad she found it. Oh my god, that would have been terrible. Anyway, what I was saying before is that I have my little tripod now, and so I have to have a bag to keep that in, but I'm also working out, and so my workout clothes don't really fit in this, so I'm bringing my tried and true little off-white laundry bag, which I got. So this is usually it's an unreal, a crazy price. It's $100 or something. It's literally just some nylon and words on it. But I got it on sale for what, maybe $30 or something. So if you guys can find these on sale, definitely do it. But they're just really nice little bags, and I kind of keep them for when I work out, and then I just put my dirty workout clothes in them after. So I'm gonna take this with me too. So I kind of have a double bag situation happening, but I'm gonna drop it off at my sister's once I get downtown. But I gotta run. Now that whole thing took me off track. I was already running late. So I'll see you guys later. I'm walking the opposite direction of the light, but whatever. Just finished class. It was so good. I actually also ended up getting a really good bike, last minute. Someone in the front row didn't show up, so that's always great. And now I'm walking over to meet Amara because we're gonna get a little bit of breakfast. I'm also gonna go drop off my workout bag at her place before we go shop around a bit. But I need food. I always love being in Soho in the morning because it's so quiet. There's never anyone here before the fucking crowds just go crazy. So yeah, just on my way to see sis. What's up? Morning.
Good morning.
I'm hungry.
Okay, vlogger.
Okay, so Mara and I just sat down at I always forget the name of this place, but it's really good. The food's really good. And then we're gonna like go on our adventure of shopping. You know where we're trying to, our plan of attack? Zara. Oh yeah, she also just realized she left her phone. She's gonna go get that after we order. But our plan of attack for today is Acne Studios, Ramoa. Oh, and she wants to go to Neem Bang, Zara. Possibly the Real Real. Yeah, we have a few places on that list, but I'm freaking starving, so I need to figure out what we're gonna order. My food just came and it looks bomb. It's like this eggplant, tomato, potato sandwich with like a salad. And I got a Coke because it's hot. I have balls out here. And I'm like right now just trying to edit a reel because I'm trying to be better at posting content, my peeps. Okay, so we've already been productive and we got some photos and now we're going to Kith. So, cause I kind of want to see if I can find some new like good sneakers. Maybe I'll finally pick up those New Balances I've been like wanting forever, the gray ones, or maybe another color. But I feel like I just need like a basic everyday, you know, kind of shoe. So we're gonna go to Kith for that. They're always weird about filming, so I'll try to film a little bit on my phone. Okay? These are the classic ones that I've been kind of wanting. Like these. You don't like those, right? Really? I have like a black sneaker. Okay, leaving Kith empty-handed. The sneakers I thought I liked. Well, I like the all black ones. Mom said she didn't love them, but then Mom never likes anything. She's such a hard critic, but she did really like the ones that with like black and white. But of course, they didn't have my size, so I'm gonna see if they have them on like Farfetch or something. Someplace where I can like find with like rewards, so I can get points for buying them. Cause that's also like. It's like I'm saving money too when I do it like that. You know, gotta shop smart out here. Gotta shop smart out on these streets. Choosing violence and going to Prada. And I'm scared for what may be done in there because there are so many things on my list. God help us all. Try on these loafers in this style with like the cloudburst bottoms. Same style as my sandals. Okay, this is them on, and I like them. They're a little loud. They match my outfit. But what do you think? Wait, what do you think, Amara? I think they're just a little, and also this size may be like half a size or one size too big. I might think I might need to go a size down. Okay, so these are like the OG ones, which are super cute, and this is the right size. So 41 now, so they do kind of run to the size. Let's see. These pants are so long, I have to like pull them out to get like the whole look. Okay, so absolutely no luck in Prada. They didn't have any of my size of the things I really wanted, but I definitely really liked those loafers. Not the ones I tried on where they had my size, but like the newer version. are really dope. And I think I'm gonna try and wait for those. Maybe I'll try to see if I can get them in Paris. It's so loud, I feel like I'm screaming, but you know, classic Soho on a Saturday. Okay, let's try our luck in here. Okay, so I just found the women's denim, and I found like the black version of the jeans I'm literally wearing right now. So I think I'm gonna try these on. I actually really like this wash, and I really get so much wear out of these, so I feel like I should get it just another color. Try our luck downstairs now. So I just found this color coat, and actually I think it looks really nice. And I think it just, as long as you get it in like an oversized fit, it could work. I'm gonna try it on over. This is the coat on. And this isn't a large. Maybe I even could look for an extra large because I think I want it to look like an oversized fit. And I really just like the color. Yes, no, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? Sweater vest. The lighting in here is so bad, but this is a sweater vest with like this brown detail on the V-neck, which I really like. Here's another sweater, similar like material. This is like a bit more white than like an off-white cream. This is a large. I think I also want this in a medium. They don't have it in store, but I think I might just order this one online. But I do like it feels nice. The knit is pretty thick. It's like a good layering piece for winter. Here's this cardigan. You know, this is a large. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep this size. I kind of like it oversized like this. And then these are like the black jeans, the same style as the ones I had on when I came in, which I wear all the time. This is just like a black wash. So definitely really like these. So ours was actually a success. Ended up getting a bunch of good stuff, a bunch of good fall pickups. So there will be an unboxing soon. And I'm more approved of my pieces, so that's always good because he's like the hardest critic. Also, pro tip is to just like go into the store, try everything on, like see what you like in person, because you know sometimes things can be very cheap when you see them in the flesh. And then when you check out at the cash register, just have them ship it all to you from like the online site, because then you get it all like box fresh, and it's just easier because now I don't have to carry any of that stuff with me the rest of the day. So that's what we're doing, and I'm hands free. Well, other than the vlogging camera, because he's a vlogger now. He's a vlogger. He's a vlogger. Off to the next Acne, and this is where the damage is most likely gonna really be done. Look who the cat dragged into the store. What?
Your favorite feature.
Literally the best feature. And all the way from across the pond. Oh, don't try to leave. Don't try to leave.
Drama.
I'm Amara, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice
Oh, wait,
to meet
you
you.
guys
Look
never
at this. This is a perfect moment for your vlog.
Wait, you guys have definitely met before. I
No,
feel.
we haven't.
I don't think we've met.
So.
Oh. What?
Well, now we.
Man, well, it's so good to see you.
I know. Oh my god.
We just got so distracted because Alaya and Avinash and Rika and her mom all came. But now I'm finally in the dressing room trying on some things. So there's this coat, which I actually literally saw on someone on Instagram. And I was like, where's that coat from? And it's amazing. And my sales associate here just showed it to me. And so I'm trying this on. And then there's this cardigan, which is like, it's a kind of like a cashmere wool blend. And it has this like little tiny Acne Studios detailing on it. And it's so nice. And it has like these really nice tortoise buttons too. So I'm gonna try that on also. Oh, there's so many good things here. There's so many good things here. Okay, so this is the cardigan. It's really nice. I really like it, but it's a little pricey. I think it's like $540. But it's like kind of like a forever piece. And it's way nicer than the cardigan I just picked up from Zara. So if I do decide to get this, I'll definitely return the other one. But the size I think is good. It's like kind of like the oversized look I like. It's an extra small, so it runs super, super big. But here's this piece. So I'm about to try on this bad boy. So he just brought me a 36, because this is a 34 and the arms are a little small. So I'm gonna try that one on now. So here's the coat. I really love it. I just don't know about the length. It feels a bit long. It's in the arms, it's good. And this is like the 36, and this one was a 34. And so on the arms, it's good, but because it's like a size up, it feels a bit long here. But I do love the color. The color is actually just amazing. And like these like leather pocket details are bomb. I need to go get a second opinion from the team. We're trying on beanies now. Got this green one. That one's like this one is so Raya though.
This one is so Raya.
That's such a Raya beanie.
Like, do I need this? Like, yeah.
No, it's so Raya. It's so cute. This green one I like, but I think actually I'm gonna go with the pink one instead. Let me show you. Yeah, no, I think this pink one I think is more me. I think I'm gonna get this one because I know this is definitely gonna sell out, so I want to get it before it does sell out because this is a bomb colorway. Okay, so we just left Acne, got some things. I'm about to go get my hair cut, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It ended up being a little bit haphazard because we totally got sidetracked by seeing my friends, Raya, and Avinash, and everyone. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, you know what to do.
Like and subscribe.
You know it. And I'll see you guys on the next video.